flying the Soviet beast behind me, Illusion 76.
Today I'm sending you with this cargo down to Iraq. And I need you to do one thing for me. Please come back in one piece.
Not a conventional way to board the aircraft, right? Coming on stairs. It's almost like a military airplane. First thing first, want to check out the cockpit. 5-man Soviets designed aircraft cockpit.
This is how we fly our plane.
Very heavy?
Yes, a little bit heavier than Boeing and Airbus.
Strong man, you need strong muscles.
We have
Where's your autopilot? Is there autopilot
yes,
on this?
there is autopilot in the middle of here. You can check it here.
This is autopilot?
Yes.
Oh.
Hello, my name is Samir. I'm a navigator. Now I show you my office.
Let's go check it out. This is downstairs. This is quite a secret. Wow.
Navigator office.
I love your office. I think you have the best office in the sky.
Yes.
Look at this.
Yes.
The view
Nice
is
view.
definitely the best.
Nice view.
What this is? This looks like a typewriter to me, or like a record player.
Yeah, this is Soviet GPS.
A Soviet GPS.
Yes.
Okay, I see you're using iPad now. That's the Western GPS.
One GPS, three GPS.
3 GPS plus VFR plus window view.
Yes, it's connected to autopilot.
Uh-huh. And you also have a, what is this? This pedal here, you step on
This
it.
pedal for speak with.
Oh yeah, the push and talk button.
Yes.
I'm with the Chief Load Master on my flight here on the Il-76. How many tons of cargo you can take on
We
this
can
airplane?
take the 50 tons of cargo.
Maximum 50
Maximum
tons.
50 tons, yeah.
Oversized cargo.
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Oversized cargo.
Now how many tons of cargo we have today?
We have today 16 tons.
So I was having fun in the cockpit. All the cargo is already loaded inside the Il-76 because it has a rear cargo door. When it opens and the high loader push all the cargo in. Very, very fast. So you can see the cargo hold is not very big on the Il-76, but it's oversized, it's very tall. So the contour cargo is perfect coming from 747 to the Il-76. Do you like this airplane?
I love this aircraft, but I am already flying on this aircraft for 22 years.
Right now we're waiting the departure, but you can see it's a little like sauna.
Yeah,
It's a little hot inside. Whoa, very strong, my God. Oh, there's a lot of bench down here. It's like a military transporter, right? You just fold down and sit down.
My name is Rasim. I am first officer of Silkway Airlines. Today our destination is Erbil. Our flight level, we're expecting level 280 and speed will be 700 kilometers per hour. is controlled by flight engineer Rafael.
Isn't this cool? The best seat in the house. Navigator seat. Well, there's actually a aft passenger cabin behind the cockpit. There's like two-seater here, perfect for me. The airplane feels like a tank. Very, very strong, very stable. It's an incredible airplane as well. It just looks like a beast, and it flies like a beast as well. We just crossed to Iraq from the Iran airspace, and it will be my first time landing in Iraq, which I understand Erbil is the Kurdistan region of Iraq. Very, very bumpy. I don't know, there's a lot of thermal and clouds.
The indication that we are lowering the landing gears.
Landing gears lower.
280 метра просто. Скорость 260 ppm. Eagle Bravo, continue and report. Удаление 2 километра, скорость 4 превозносит 120. Удаление 1 километр, 60 метров ВПР. 50 метров, скорость 250, 40 метров. 30 снос 5 влево сносит, 220 скорость. 210. 200.
So we're in number 3 on landing sequence. We had to hold, then we followed the arc and ILS Yankee 18. And we landed, an unusual, little bit bumpy ride. So everything was in control.
Ready to work?
Ready to work.
Beautiful day in Erbil, my first time in Iraq. The whole loading process finished in 15 minutes. All the cargo's gone to the center, and now we're just gonna prepare for our return.